God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back or to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and thank you for those who are always returning. So as you guys can see, I'm here with a tutorial, also gonna be talking to you guys. So if you are interested in this video, make sure you please give it a like, a comment, subscribe, and share this video as well. And with that being said, let's get into it. So as you guys can see, I already did one eye off camera, obviously to make this process easier. But today I want to talk to you guys about basically the downhill of the beauty community and just us as makeup influencers, and how social media has basically just like strayed away from all the beauty creators. So stay tuned, especially if you want to see this eye look. So yeah, all products will be down below in the description, so just go straight to the description box. Okay, so it's so crazy how like 2023, I wouldn't say it specifically started here, but I would say 2023, it has definitely been like a complete stray away from the beauty community. I know I cannot be the only one, I know I can't, but it almost feels like makeup is not really like makeup tutorials and all the other stuff. It's not popping like that anymore. It's not doing what it used to do. And I feel like a lot of us beauty content creators, we're like in that struggling phase. I feel like personally, if you're not out there already, like it's gonna be really hard to get people to watch your beauty content, you know, because it's almost like, I don't know, it's almost like everyone already knows how to do makeup. Not every single person, but like everybody already knows how to do makeup, or everyone has already found their people who they're comfortable with and they're gonna stick to that, which that's completely understandable. That's fine. It's like finding a makeup artist or like a barber. Like you don't want to cheat on your person, but I just feel like it's gotten a lot harder for beauty creators, specifically smaller content creators trying to get themselves out there. And yeah, I understand it, and you basically just have to like fight your way to the top by just being consistent. But I feel like, I was just talking to my man about this, and we were talking about how like I was telling him, I was like, even couples, like YouTube couples and everything, like a lot of YouTube couples has broken up and everything, but just in general, like nobody really wants to see YouTube couples anymore. Like if you're not already out there, if you're trying to come up now in 2023, it's a lot harder. You have to be like super interesting for people to, you know, watch you. You know, everybody's in their podcast phase right now, which is fine. Like I feel like it's never too late to do something, you know, you just have to be yourself. But that's how I feel about it. I feel like it's really hard for the beauty community, the smaller influencers, and I definitely understand. I remember making videos like back in like 2018, 2019, and it was hard then, but I feel like, I don't know, for some reason it's harder now, like because it's just weird. Like I feel like you have to broaden your horizons in order to be seen, but it also really depends on timing as well. Like God's timing, it's gonna happen when you least expect it. I know a lot of beauty creators can definitely relate to this, feeling like they hit that plateau in their makeup. Like probably one point they was just like really out there, their content was doing really good and stuff like that, and then it just drops, and it's just like you're confused on what happened, you know, what changed and stuff. But even with, you know, YouTubers or influencers that I've watched like for years, like Alyssa Ashley and Aaliyah J, Jackie Aina, like all of those women, like they do makeup, but they have broadened their horizons too. So they had other things that they were actually interested in as well, and it brought a different kind of audience to their platform. And I just think that that's very important, like to have a base, but also still be able to not just rely on that. Because honestly, to be honest, with social media, you have to grow with the times. Like, I'm not gonna say that you have to not be yourself and force yourself into something that's not you, but you have to learn to grow with social media, because if not, you will be stagnant. Like I said, a lot of people are in their podcast era, the YouTube couples that are together, like, that's still alive now, they're not pranking crazy like they used to, because, you know, it's more family oriented stuff, which I like that, because, you know, it's mature, you know, and it's authentic and stuff. So I feel like in order to truly grow on social media, you have to like literally grow with the times, not just rely on one specific thing. Like, back then, everyone always used to be like, niche down. You need to do this, you need to do that. And I did that at one point in time. But now, I feel like, don't ever do that. Don't ever niche down. Like, if you got multiple things that you are into, there's too many platforms out here. Don't ever just stick to one. Like, expand yourself, because you don't know what audience you're reaching. Like, for me personally, I do beauty, I do lifestyle, I do faith-based content, I do a little bit of everything. Like, some people might just be following me for my faith content. Some people might just follow me for my beauty content. Some people follow me for fashion content. Like, I have a different audience for different things, rather than just sticking myself to one thing. And I feel like, honestly, that is like something that is very needed to have. Like I said, multiple different niches, but also just making sure that you're actually like into that. You're not just doing it because you want to be viral and stuff like that. I think for the beauty creators, us small beauty creators, we actually need to just like learn to just not base our creativity and our talent on likes and on how much views we get and stuff like that. Because honestly, like, there's a lot of favoritism in the beauty community, and it kind of can affect our self-esteem. Because let's be honest, sometimes we'll see something and be like, okay, well, this is nice, their stuff went viral, but it's like, I know I could do that, or I know I could do something better, blah blah blah. Which we shouldn't compare ourselves to others at all. And whether you feel like you can do better or not, it's not your time. But I'm speaking off of experience and some of the things that I used to do. And I'll always see things and I'm like, that's crazy. Like, I don't understand why, you know, this is not happening for me. But it's really all about staying in your own lane, having your own creativity, and basically just staying the course and not comparing yourself to others. But there is always going to be favoritism. Honestly, I would say stick to being who you are and continue to strive for that. You know, your time is going to come. It gets hard, it gets very discouraging, but we also have to remember, just because somebody doesn't like it, or you got 2 likes or whatever it is, does not mean that your content is not the bomb. Like, just post the content. When you start posting the content off of genuine love out of it, that's honestly when the unexpected viral stuff happens. Like, you're not just posting because, oh my gosh, I gotta post, I haven't posted in days and stuff like that. Like, yes, be consistent, but when you have a love for it and you're just posting the content and you're not thinking about anything behind it, it comes out of nowhere. Do not look to go viral. Like, don't look to go viral at all, because you are going to hurt your own feelings. Like, social media is up and down. It has its peak moments and it has its low moments. As a small, very small influencer, you're going to hurt your own feelings, I promise you. All right, you guys, so that is all for this video. I really hope that you took something away from this video, not just for beauty influencers, but if you want to be any type of creator. I'm also still learning these things myself, so I'm growing through the process. Please share this video to anyone who might need it, who needs that extra boost. Remember, post for you and just get the content out, okay? It's not about who's viewing or who's not viewing. Post the content. If that's one thing you took from this video, besides the look, is post the content, okay? So with that being said, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think of this look down below. And also leave some suggestions of what you would want to see on my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.